Region 4A and Region 4B. I think so, first quarter. Dito sa first quarter na po sa kabayan. Pagpili for double rating, Rarica is still. Ito na sa first quarter na nakakita ng kasabitos ang bayan na anak. Then pili for first quarter. Kapili ng 12. Ito na po din. Score din sa pa. Habang po, habang bawang defense, 13 to shoot. Naghanap naman kung masahan, Bash. Victor Bash dito ng defense. Ayaw magpapasok ng Hanala. Ay, to shoot sa shot. Step forward, number 8, steal. And Victor at 11. And number 11, and Victor Miranda. Babalik dito kay Gaga Victor Steve. Ang sa kanan, ito shot. Jumper, goal. Victor for rebound. Number 92. Ayaw magpapasok ng pinakawalan. For a 5 to shoot to shot back. Zero, running back from there, steal. Steal to the basket shot. Simple sa first quarter. Kaya simple para sa Alahala yun. Ramos, very fortunate. Running back. Medyo minatas. Walang pasok para sa Pinolan. 25. Victor 25 here. Very good. Right 13 seconds to score. Pasok ka. At sa pusok ka. Makiniti. Isip mo na problem. Pwede. Wow! Stis mo na bayan ang Alahala. Sabi nga natin dyan, napakabong ka iso. Ibang klase yung lakas ng Alahala dito. Kasi sa 6-0, abante na ng puntos. Versus straight running. Good. Parang mag-bisa. Versus reason. Kasi tawag si Manny with number 8 development foul. First personal foul. And the first foul by Alahala. Oras natin, 2 minuto at 4 na segundo. At share up natin sa 14 to shoot. At para sa first one. At Galeon, yung first one para kay Galeon. At sa mga pinagbilman, nakakamunod po sa kanilang pinuset yan. At parang nagkaalabusan. Magandang rolling sa kanila rin. Today, Saturday, Saturday. Ito yung pahinga ang mga tubayan. Yung dito sa sports, pahinga. Kung pininig ng summer ngayon sa pagtatapos ng summer health sabi, umiinit ang bakbakan dito sa first quarter ng taon. Ang Alahala, medyo na para defense. At yung pinagalan, 0. Medyo nagkaproblema din sa ilalim. At number 4, pinagalan ng foul. The first personal foul is substitution. At number 4 out at nilabas si Cabeza. At Victor at number 4, nagkakanya siya sa box. At this is a Perez at Victor the first quarter of the game. The first is good. At magandang putos dito para kay Perez. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 57 seconds sa oras. Hindi naiitan yung ating mga TV vloggers doon. At naging para lang maganda para sa ating live. Kaya tayo pala sila. Magandang morning po sa inyo, boss. At dalawa, number 25. Ako na pagkaya bumili ko nila dito. At ito, number 12. Handang kalawang. Sunabit ko na po. Ito sinusunabit sa lahat. At number 0 si Perez. First personal para sa ating foul para po dito sana. It's 27 minutes and 38 seconds of us. Ramos, win for the first two with the Rams. And ito, has defended champion 2024. At yung kasama natin sa itunan at from Municipal Sports Development, naroon ito po ngayon. Magandang rolling po kay Sir Jan. At Lisbeth Hata. At balik po tayo mga kababayan. At si Boss Angie, ito po. Ito, magandang pagkain natin ito. At siyempre, ngayon natin, maraming po salamat. Baligin po natin, ito, si Miranda. Sa mga nito natin sa akin, 15 to shoot back sa shot natin. Yung double defense, ito na Fox is running. Ito yung depensa ng Alahala talaga. At 8 to shoot. Sa shot is to shot back. Ito na meron cover. Before that, ito the rebound. Still to the ball. At Victor is in the ball. Ito, we're number 23. Pinabanan. Hari baik dan sisa best. just recently sumabit at nilating ang first personal foul back sa for the time remaining 6:58 seconds sa oras. At magandang morning po sa ating Intercom 2026 fifth season. Kabesa. For the player number 13, Willie Oasis. Joshua. Substitution. Number 13, pass out. This is Toronto Kigal at number 13, number 0, at the pass. At wala pa rin tayo the first personal foul, number 13 ang pass. At number 0, second personal foul, parang technical ito. At okay, there's seven to shoot. Let's call the ball game. And 7 to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Okay, sa pitol, sa pinaka-pitol, coach na. Coach na po nakatayo sa pinaka-pitol ko na. Coach natin para sa first quarter, 6 minutes po na. At good po na ngayon. Ito na play. Ito na best. Basta po na before the play, Oasis, the double defense, right for the three-point shot. Whoa! See the three-point shot, De La Cruz. Rebound, si De La Cruz, sa patagal ng tres. Para sa first quarter, 6-6 seconds natin po natin. Tingnan po ito na, wala pang 20 pa. Right for the second quarter. Russo Pao is this on the body. At Victor Russo Pao at 21. First personal foul. At penalty na po ang halahala. Agad ng penalty ng halahala dito. Pwede ko yung pagkakalibrate for the technical foul kanina kay Beres. Pwede ng paso sa pagkabilang kukunan. Kaya paalala sa mga players natin, relax lang po tayo. Medyo konting bawas na po ng dito dulo. Taanin na po natin sa bola natin. At isang bayan, isang kalawigan. Puso para sa 6 minutes na natin oras. Hindi na halahala. Hindi na halahala. Hindi na pass. De La Cruz, running back to the place. 2:21. Break for the champion. 2-8 go. Hindi na natin. Still for the pass. Halahala. Wala pass sa kapira doon. Pagkababo ang pinagalan dito. Pero ito yun. Technique for the 23. Technique for the storm. Besa, Habawa. Ako na pass po. Piranda. Mabisa ka bato. Break for the champion. This is for the season captain. Like the team still all the way. Yes, sir. After this team for all the guys, back in the morning. With the win for the first quarter, the official score, not an eight. Halahala pa rin. 15 to shoot para sa shot clock. Ito pa rin triple shot. Marcelino. This is Joseph Pao. At number 12. This is a small ball foul. At sa petition, wala na out. This is a double foul. And this is a total ball game, but there's a block. Jump ball, binabot ball. With a 5 minutes and 15 to shoot. And it's good on the ball. First personal foul. With a 5 minutes and 7 seconds to take the shoot. And for the foul. Sinabi ko naman sa nalang. At first foul. At 21, pinamano ng foul. Second personal foul. At number 21, penalty rin. Kaya nang tinito ang nalahanan para sa first quarter. With a substitution, ano ba rin? May bigay na po. And that beses, this is the second person in the box. Yes. But the penalty situation had high. It's one of the first, as we did for the first one there. Then the time remaining 4 minutes and 59 seconds to. And Dito's ating position of basket for the substitution. Yunata and it is still for one game. Our best. Ang pioneer para sa first one ito. And the back to ball for the 59 para dito sa ating Dito the first quarter. Dito first quarter, bigay po dito 52 seconds sa box. After Marcelino sa box. And still the Marcelino, report na ngayon. Ang back to the box. Ito and number 2 is still good to foul. The substitution, first person of foul. Si Bas, tayo sa first quarter. At Benperito, pumasok ngayon. At Nico de Leon, ready for the bonus shot. At ready for the defending champion, 2024. Pero tayo rin, the bonus shot. Still, for all the hanga-hanga. At pinagay, wapin ko pinagay sa pintos. Pinagay. Is 2-4-2. There's a timeout, hala-hala. And for the chip, 20% para sa slot light. And 24. Ang mapapasahan. Ang quarter. Sa jumper. So, si Sabat. 24 jumper. Ito para sa Sabat. At pag ginawa na, lumarang kata na, tapos pimpos na po yun. Mga nasa press. Ang pasok na tuloy ito. Ang people is in the ball. Yun yung na-police na ball din na pinamonan. At big more hanga-hanga. At tawag ko ba ng visa. At pinipot ng mga Reyes. At Yago. At 24 sa first personal foul. Barney po tayo na pinamonan. At pinipot na dito na hana-hana. At si Manyaman pumasok sa first quarter. At sabihin, the power to the power. At Marcelino, at sa 3-point shot. Wow! Marcelino, 3 points. Si Marcelino ay matalo. Kanina si Miranda, Marcelino naman yun. Ang bumitaw ng Sempres at una yung kay Miranda kanina. At Rick Cabeza. At kay Portino, Chapter 24. So amazing! Napakasimple. Para di napakulan eh. Kami kay Baka Managawa. At ito naman, sa ilalim, sa pasak, pero mabuhat na rin. At Cortino, kasi Bigo. At Cortino, sakot ng halahala. Ang pasok, buha pa rin, nandun ang kope. Nandito na lang, nagkakatumblera pa rin. Gusto na dito sa kanan. Tapos sa taas, nagkakatumblera sa ilalim. Nakuha rin ng halahala. And still, they're going to come up with a foul penalty. Are working for penalty situation. The team of the 14th the first personal foul. Nice. At least the first personal foul, lumabas, pagpahingi sa iyo sa first quarter. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 42 seconds. May hunang penalty, magkabilang kukunan ko sa mga bayan. Ang official score natin, 17-14, 3 punto sa kapate ng Binawarin. Kagulan, bumana ng mga ito, bumawi nito ng 3 puntos. Si Manyaga naman, nasa ating penalty situation o the free throw line. And ang time remaining, 2 and 42 seconds sa natin pera. At hindi po sa bayan ng talang, kayo ang aming tanwapin sa tuloy ng bayan ng Cruz. Vice Mayor Venezuela, maraming salamat po sa ating pagkakita sa ating Pink Governor's Cup 2026. Bigyan ko na ang salamat. Estos Putaras, Michael Chimay, Studilaban. In the time remaining, 2 minutes and 30, 14 to 6, para sa Shakla, Sabas. Studilaban, Michael Putaras, 13, Steve Balan, Bukod sa Sabas. Ulitin ko ang gawin ng bola. At dito naman. Coach. Walang foul. Ini 17, kita begitu sampai 22. This is a 50% on the foul. The one for Bex Mahal. This is 50 Bex Mahal. Typical breaks, typical moves and high that for one shot after the morning, if you need a 2 minute and 40 seconds of horse, and a great 15 Pinapos, I am the winner. The first quarter, looking to shoot para sa shot. Ako ang pinaka-counter, skill, gravity violation. Pinatalo na yung 1 minute and 57 seconds sa oras. At hindi po ang first quarter. Kapilin, number 11. Before Brothers, before W, battle 331. Nakabuha na. Ay, ito may 1 minute and 42, 30 to shoot. There is still 9 to shoot, still. Alahala, the first team. For the Magic's goal. Now, for the Water, Jackson. There is still a Pagano for the Magic's goal. Sabas. That verbal for one game. 1 minute and 15. 31, Sabas. The 40 big one crowd. I to the win. There's Steve Gershon, number 11, Kamala. First personal foul penalty. Our goalkeeper penalty situation in the time remaining 108 seconds so natin natin. And when we win toward the penalty situation first. 21-17. It's still first quarter, nagkaroon yung pakparan dito. At with 1 minute and 8 seconds. If this is on the first, it is good. Then Tamayo, out. And Reyes, number 15. Official score natin, 27 din. Tamayo, out. And 15 Reyes. Sabi natin Reyes, 1 minute and 8 seconds. So natin tinanong natin, nakakababayan. At the network, 2026, Steve Balan, out of the
Susunod na ginawa ko doon. Penalty tayo sa Pirito. Pirito, ginawa ng foul for Pirito. And it's still the first personal foul, Pirito. Now, our both team are penalty situation. They have time remaining. 15 seconds ang ating oras. At pinit for the game. 22-17 ang ating score. Alibabaw pa rin. After tumahan at with Robin. Hindi si Robin ang mga Robin. And still Pirito. 15 to shoot. Tingnan na sa press. Shoot! Ito dito ang teammate. Gusto ko ang recovery. At Rukay na nalanak. And still 19 still 35 seconds. Skippers last 20. Last 25. Last 20 seconds. There's a back. There's number 2. Marcelino out. And time remaining last 13 seconds. And number 6 is the first personal foul at team for the penalty. Time remaining last 16.5 seconds. Last one ready, jump. Ashok. During the time already at 60.5 seconds. The substitution, Adro, at Robin, minus Rolf Bacco. Last natin, ito, 16 seconds. And this is the end of the first quarter. Magpabalik na tayo. Makalipas po. Kailangan. Siyempre. Alam ko tatayong coaches at the ball para po sa ating BB players. Isa po naman. Salamat. At babalik tayo mga kababayan. At we were already set ahead with all again. Second quarter ito mga kababayan. Ito po second quarter. Regular chapter hahang. Still at Rams. This is our second quarter. We have to lead at 20 seconds. So at people on game. And the total defense, 14 to shoot, pass. The total defense, 10 to shoot. I did it 30, reverse shot, quick rebounding. At Bukuhanara. Then Parisi then to the pass break. And then a 3-ball shot. Top. No. Ang paso sa rebounding. Number 23 at 50 Tanto. The first foul at 91. And the second personal foul. At we need the first foul para sa lahat. I believe that 7 seconds sa oras. At sa mga nag-alim sa sports natin, magandang morning po sa inyo dyan. At maraming salamat po sa ating live. Ang mapanood po sa ating winning exam. At least sa buong ito, na mga kapagaling po natin. At ito po, para sa ating triple shot. Steve, what a triple shot. Well, very perfect. Then still with the pass number 13 and kanina tinawagan ng foul is out of the play court. Out the play court. At pass. At si Stis na 2 technical foul. Ang taso sa mga kapital, out of the playing court, number 13, ang taso. And back to the bowling, and we need to run the first second quarter. And the time remaining within the 54 seconds. The official score at 27 to 1. At for the 7 point for pinabawin to Hal-Hal. At dito po sa ating second quarter. Back to the ball, Mike De La Cruz, reporting the backs. Where the ball is to proceed with a double defense. Mike De La Cruz on that short. Reporting on the week and 35 seconds for us. Reporting on Johnny back to Batistia and Wilson. Mike De Canto, Mike the ball again, reporting to shoot. Before the back to shoot, back to shot. Reporting jump reporting, go! Before he now, the time for him to go home. Still throwing back to Gideon. I can for on the back. Still for on the cover, like to it. It's the modern. Got the over the ice on the back. The push of power. It is still the Travis, number 27, personal foul. The second team foul at nagpahinga si Ramos. Pumasok sa may pahinga. At dito na niya. And still in terms of that Rose. At pumalik si Miranda ngayon. Kaya ano sa naglalabas sa bola. At Miranda, people of team is still at 7 minutes and 55. Minute 2 on defense. 7 minutes and 50. Diptic to shoot sa shot. Yes, Masters. Winning time remaining 7 minutes and 45 seconds. 87-20 para sa ating second period. Ito ang second block ng Padena. Very good defense. The pin cover will stop 20-26. Go Pinanas. People there, hala-hala. Another easy, yes sir. Kaya another operation yan. Kinahal to play the game for the second block. By the win, 3 players in the win. Starlight. Starlight on the building. Taking the shot from Butler. Paris. Then Miranda went for the game. Then to shoot the shot. We're going to jump for the hole. Lead correctly. Easy to last. He receives deep there with 5 seconds. Number 30. He's up. Go. Nico rebounding. 6 minutes to 47. Good person up. Ini sa position, number 14. Ipabilis na pumapasok na. At dahil bumabalik si Sabas. At kanya si Leishan, at kanya din si Ricardo sa second block. At hindi pa yun, kasi pwede pa maamit sa ilalim yun. Kinagailangan din ang pera ng mga patikat. At makasama sa Clippers. 6 minutes and 40 to shoot, to shot. That is still, Miranda, medyo nakapropera sa gitna. Ganap na makapasahan. Si Roman, 5 to shoot, to shot. Ako na shot, yay! Super! That is 6 minutes and 20 para sa Halala. 13-26, 6 na pintos. Ang kalabangan mo na pinagonan sa Balsa. It is your back to pass. I can be 25, 3-point shot, no. Before Miranda, heading for against Florida Charlie. Miranda is going down the way, still go down the way. 3-point play, right to the lead. Down the way, whoa! That's some basic. Back to 7-5. Let us see if the number 50 is better. The person foul. Let's see the third person and foul. Ang sinila bumabalik, si Marcigan, papasok pala na yun. But we need more again. Let's see the time remaining 5 minutes and 52 seconds sa natin para natin. 32-24, natin is good. 92 more is yet. And this is the second quarter again. 5 minutes and 40. The two recoveries, still Marcelino sa next. Jumper, low. Piling 5 minutes and 28. Sa Texas, super pulo na nakakate. Duarte, join the game. Drops. 5 minutes and 28. The first one, Agata, Steve, Marcelino, follow here. The first three of the back is out. The play Maraming salamat po sa malinis na pagtanggap sa ating 5th season Governor's Cup dito po sa ating Rizal Basketball Tournament 2026. Ito po sa first quarter at Rupert Tinky. But still, there's a sound foul. And there's a foul that we need to come out on the ball. The first passes at the second personal foul. At with a taking foul para sa Bingonan, this is a 5 minute exactly. Then Manyaga at we go on the first, on the ball is out of the game. In a 5 minute exactly, and we did go again. And we go on the fourth to the second quarter of the ball, the 37-26. And we did go the next season. At sa tinisip ko na, working to shoot. Talagang, ito sa gitna. At ito. At this is a double dito. Ang tawag na red doon. At with a double dito. With a time remaining 4 minutes and 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Magkabalikan po natin ang ating activity. Dito sa ating second quarter again. Still to automotive, natanggap po. This is a full basket. Sa Barca, before play, still, before recovery, Miranda. That Miranda po naging this is the tigalat na napapasat sa gitna. Sa jumper, nakakarimang doon. Before the pass, play, happy to win. Starlight! Yes, sir! And still at the start. Bernie exactly. Before the pass break, Pagtalit with Rating. There's a foul. And number 20 tinawagan ng foul. And still the first person ng foul, the substitute. Nag-born for penalty tinawagan. The substitution bring out. Manyaga out. Then ilang cross. Babalikan ko natin mga nababayan. At 25. Before the jumper, Jackson. And we didn't go again with people or the play. Marcelino, yung nagpakita po kanina. At bilis ang number 4. Sa Barca, before the play, sticker on the ball. Ito na sila substitution, 25 out. Picones, magpapalot para sa second quarter. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 29 po, mga kababayan. Para po sa ating second quarter of the game. Number 16. And ito na play sa Barca, number 4 sa cross. Yes, sir! And still. Then sa Barca, 3 points sa Barca. At higit sa 3 points para sa Barca. Keeper of 3 points out. Ito na po para sa Hanhala. Sa Barca sa pass. Number 3, 60 Picones. Before, happy to win sa press. No! Before sa Barca, all the team with ground back with the power. No basket. Wait for the rebound. Sabi natin yung nagaganap dito po sa second quarter, Miranda. Then is still at Miranda for Shino Ball and like to cover defense. The time for the game, still for on the ball game. Before sa Barca, yes sir! Si sa Barca, bibigyan ng magandang gusto dito. Nagkuhan ang kabila ng Bingonan sa second quarter. Ang substitution. This is with 25. ball game. It is still at 2 minutes and 18 seconds of us. As wala pa rin po pa sa lahat ng ball game. Alex, ready to go for defense. Ready to win the game for a second quarter of the game. Still in April. Still goes again to 2 minutes of the ball game. Last shoot. Para sa ating second quarter of the game. To Gomez. Before the shot, we thank the Gomez. Gomez defense for the play. 1:50 on third, second quarter. At 46-31, time to shoot. Sabasa, before the pace, the goal. Oh! Sabasa! Dahil Sabasa, ikito ni Jacob si Sabasa. 1 minute and 30. At yung goal, 48-31, 1:28. On the 25, the second quarter of the game, Trapper Road. And it goes on at 1 minute and 17. Parents, 10 to shoot para sa Trapper. 5 to shoot. Another for Trapper to play goal. Still, 1 minute and 5. Step for a goal game, Jackson. And Russell says, good at. And the 55 seconds, second quarter. 50 to shoot, and more shot for 48-33. Sabasa check to the Trapper. Berada for our recovery. Ito sa dilution. Tera. And you see that big one first personal foul and penalty. And you see that sa Barca, ang pahinga ko sa second quarter. Oras na to. Ito dyan, 37 seconds na natitira natin. Mula kay Ross Richard. And at 48-33 for the second quarter of the game. Wow, first season. Governors at 2026. Go, reaching guys. Intertrack Basketball Tournament. At within for a game, ating mga kasama. Our TV Sports Proper, magandang ulit sa kanila dyan. At pinili, those two right na 33 seconds. At dito sa ating first section. At 23, 30 to shoot. 6 to pass! Yes, we person foul. And then 20 seconds of oras po natin. Official score 48-35. Kaya ng binangunang umakan ito. Ito po ang ating defending champion 2024. And for the fourth season niya. And it's still for our body behind Russell. Mura. Ang last 10. Kuha na siya. Last 5. At back to the ball sa ating po mga vloggers, mga sports TV vloggers po natin, magandang morning po sa kanila dyan. At siyempre sa ating official TV vlogger natin. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga cameramen, sa magandang pitik. Maraming salamat po habang unin sa ating mga kanilang mga post. At isang interbound with Group Lina Richinales and the Commissioner for the 5th season ng ating Inaros Cup, according to Universal. At may po mga kababayan, balik po tayo sa ating third quarter po tayo. Sa second half po tayo, magandang hapon po sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan. From the first district ng Pinamungan hanggang second district po ng Alahala. At magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating report of Governors Cup, Governors Cup 2025. At 2026 rather, with Lina Richinales dito po sa Panginoon Superstar. Kasama nyo po ngayon, Alvin Caballo Lange, kasama nyo po Gabi o The Glory. Sama natin Devil Official si Sir John, Sir Richard. At ang ating kasama sa sports, Sir John, at Witness Pegarada ng ating municipal sports development. At ang lahat dyan, ang Captuno Apo, at Miss Algie. Balik tayo mga kababayan, third quarter. Ay binigay 40 po para po sa ating third quarter. It is still for the third quarter of the game. Whitey, ready to go play still. This is the third quarter. We still time to shoot. 10 seconds shot. Balik tayo sa ating for the third quarter. Then a throw strike. Dito pa konti. 8-10. Ang kaso ng tiro doon. Ito tumawag natin, still go back, then to shoot, para sa shot back. And for the order play, first switch. We're back to the ball, 9 minutes and 14 seconds sa oras. 52, that pisagan. Then quarter na po tayo mga kababayan sa Barca. 24 with Chaco, Jackson. Your number 24 and 25 to 1. That this is on the first of the third quarter of the game. 8-55 po. Amay. Back 0-0. Right to the back goal. And still there's a foul at number 20. And the second personal foul. And with the first two foul, it's still on the ball in the dust. And with Perez. To the time remaining 8 minutes and 49 seconds sa oras. At dito sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan from First District ng Pinamungan at taga Pinamungan na nanonood nyo sa taga ng TVC habang nagkakape at magandang work po sa kanila dyan. Ipinitong quarter po para sa ating third quarter at the working 54-39 ating score. De Leon, going to Benitez, De Leon to the jumper, no. Before the warning, Steve 25, Nicolas. Box on the jumper, Steve from rebound, Ellis. Dito Perez in the medyo mabilis na naman dito. Box on the warning, Steve from rebound. Ito yung as yung pakanyang nakapit. At hindi na kalahin na sa ito. Kay Banyaga, at hindi na uhin bola dito. At hindi pa naman sa Barca, mabilis ang abate. At Simon, Jackson! And still it's Simon to 29. Kaya throws the steal. There's a foul. At Tilatus, the one of foul. At Tilatus, the first personal foul. First foul para sa Alahala. And still a personal foul, number 9.
Mahirap lang.
As first man right now, at He said 3. And 3 shot, yeah, 3 shot. As, 3 minutes rest. 3 shot. 3 minutes rest that with the number 1 for unsportsmanlike foul. And 10 shot for Sabas. And bitin for one more para kay Sabansa. Official score po natin 57-39 at 8 minutes and 1 seconds. At ito, mga kababayan. At libre pa po na dito. Mga pag-isip. Is this a 14 to shoot para sa shot like that? 14 to shoot. At pinip for a ball, they exactly. That's it all. Victor Gabriel sa pasa. Victor Gabriel. Sino ito naman? Ang pasado malakas. Nagpawag! Steal for all the Brighton. Sino ba yung kanyang sigaw ng box? This is Aston. After ball game, 7:40. Pinip for 11. One out to the play.
Di nakabubuksan yung type.
It is still at number 20 sa third personal foul box. At the second to foul in the corner. There's a timeout. Kalahara. And oras natin, 7. Umakapan po yun ng binagonan, 16-39, 39 po ang halahala, 60 po ang binagonan. Oras po natin, 17-34 ang ating kaya natin dito po sa ating around the second quarter of the third quarter of the ball. Teres, makalya natin dito sa ating nahukot. People are time to shoot. Teres, wait for the ball game. Wait for the jumper, hold. 7 minutes and 50. This is a report to the third quarter of the game. Performance of this. For the ball game, still for pass. People, 7 minutes and 5, running back. Yes, sir. Pass. Then Perez with the ball and the PC for Isabella. 46 minutes and 34 seconds connected to the line for the third quarter of the game. 60-41, Picard's with Philippe. Like the on, still for Alexino Jumper. Picard's like the Leon. Before the Jumper, sabi na ng partner, hindi na dyan. 6 minutes and 34. The substitution ng 16 out. Napapalik si Lason. At si Picones na nagpahinga dito sa third quarter. 6 minutes and 30. Sa ating mga official sports TV vlog na nandito ngayon. Is this for 14 to shoot or shot like it? At magandang ball sa kanila dyan. Mike Bituin. Nagturo si Rex. Ito sa 29. Ito sila 6 minutes and 20. 62. 49. There's a foul to Leon. The first person, it's a 13 foul, first person foul to Leon. At gawin ang 13 foul para sa Binagonan. 6:16 ang ating mismo, ang ating remaining time. Miranda. There is still time to shoot. On the ball is still for all back. For Gary. Diana Kissing. There is still a pushing the guys para kay Leon. Bawal ang Binagonan, apat na tuyo, 64-41. Miranda sa jumper. At Leon 25. Leon for cover for sila. Yes, sir! personal foul sa number 4 sa Baus. Perez out. Third personal foul sa Baus. Warning for penalty, Pinamara. Pirata out. Pinit. In the substitution, 95. Pabilisan, nagbabalik sa third quarter. At ganoon, nagpahinga sa third quarter ngayon. Kasama si Sabas. At time remaining 5:29, third quarter. 66-41. Actually, nagtatatry sa cross. Reyes! Prepared si Reyes. Tumakati na ng mga cross para kay Reyes. For the third quarter, 5:10, 66-44. At time na pabilis. Number 23, chapter sa side. There's a foul, Reyes. For the substitution. At Tessa nagbabalik. There's a foul.
Sabihin mo na ako sa bahay.
And the second personal foul at number 13. And to be the 13th foul para sa Batistin, Alaala. Ricardo. Para sa Ricardo sa Ricardo. Jackson. Steve on the boarding. Get to the number 14. Occasion of class. Tag Peret. 16. Balik for the number 10. Straight working to shoot. There's a foul. At 29, Kinawala foul. It's a penalty. First personal foul, number 29. In the substitution, 29 out, Perico. And we put on the body. That's Simon, Kinawala ng ball kanina. And Reyes on the free throw line in time remaining 38 seconds to the third quarter. Official score 69-44. Welcome po, Kamajin Bauer, superstar. Reyes on the last one to shot. Nakakasama nito ngayon, Alvin Caballero. Welcome po, back to the line, Bauer, superstar. And you see the 26 big governance cup. Ricardo Jackson. Still, Evangelista, Greenberg, si Evangelista, papasok pa rin dito. At gusto na rin tayo sa third quarter dyan. 48-14 para sa third third. 72-45. Before the ball game, 30% sa shot clock. Before the ball game, magkawag ng visa. 24, tinawagan ng foul. And still is a penalty situation po ng mga bayan. Sa third personal foul, between 93 is a third personal foul at Tessa. At yung free throw line. At sa ating mga sports TV vloggers, magandang buhay sa kanila dyan. At sa ating official TV vlog. And magandang morning po sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa buong mundo, especially sa ating nalawigan ng isa. At magandang morning, especially sa ating buong nila. Nanonood po yun. Magandang po ito, governor. At welcome po dito sa ating third season. At pinit po on the third quarter of the game, 4 seconds of loss, 72-46. Ricardo, Referee, Natal TV. For all the ball game, 14, Natal the champion, Lord. Before this, there's a foul. And you see that the 31-1 foul. And you see the second personal foul. And you see the penalty na po, penalty. Kung binagawa po, is a penalty situation. Mahaba-haba pa ang oras natin, 3 minutes and 47 seconds. At Tagalog dito sa ating pagpilit for the 2026 Governors Fifth Season. At last 2024, third time, fourth season. Binawagan sa champion. At dito sa Bino at Montalban. Pagpapalito natin. There's a foul at number 15. And it's still the first personal foul. And with the time remaining 3 minutes and 39. After 23, we turn the game. Ricardo. And 3 minutes and 32, like 14, Hamilton on defense, 50 to shoot, para sa shot clock. Evangelista, nagpalit sa Yaso! Kasama ng foul. And still at number 15, tinuwag ng foul. At Evangelista, kanina nagpakita naman siya ng press. Second person ng foul. At nagpitin ko on the boarding. Pareho na, pareho na penalty. Hindi na nagpapit ka pa man. Pareho na penalty, breaking 10-20. This is on the third quarter of the game. Again, Napsolino. Reyes. 50 to shoot para sa shot clock. Artesa, control top, tinip for one back. Steve Reyes, cut the shot, jumper, wala pass right there. Nagpipila, still for one of Leos. Mike Evangelista. Wala pinipil siya, Evangelista sa jumper. Wala pass right there. There's a Rasmus. Pinatay ang substitution. Ang substitution. Pag-sabi lang po yung number papalitan. Kung basta-basta papasok po. Ayan. Salamat po. Yan, Evangelista for a game with very time remaining. 10 to shoot para sa shot clock. Evangelista, completed 35, they can't. 10 to shoot. There is still more recovery. Right now, before I take it, running on the play, Ricardo Gavisa. There is still number 2 Evangelista, the first person in foul penalty. Sa substitution, Evangelista kapahinga, Robin bumabalo, pahinga na sa Ricardo. At Cabeza, at Robin nagpapalit sa third quarter, 2 minutes and 22 seconds sa nakikira natin. At dito sa ating third quarter. At win for one again. At para po sa ating and back to the ball game. Pabrikutan ng mga kabayan. At mamaya po ang ating second game, Teresa versus Cardona. Asking po natin, Taytay versus Panay. Kami natin mga kabayan ng kabalang kadulan. Ay na 2 minutes and 3 seconds sa bola, 75-50. Ay games po tayo para sa ngayong araw ng Sabado. At hindi po ang third quarter of the game, 1 minute and 54 seconds. Substitution. 30-33 lang. Sa Barca, babalik sa third quarter, 154 po, natitira natin. Ito na third quarter, right sa pinirag number 11. Still, high to shoot. High to shoot, to shot natin. Back to the building. Ito na building. 38 balance. For the top, half of the building, the passo, Stico, Riccardo. Nice one. Victor Big, Dylan Flores, Sabasa, top by Yasu. It is still Sabasa. 1:50, 77-50. Foul ito sa ating third period. For the people shot, Jumper, Dallas, no. 105. Mike to win. Mike Nation, wala pass rate. Sima. May substitution. Isa na Cabeza ang babalik para po sa third quarter. Babalik na natin. 57 seconds. Cabeza, the 360 for rebounding. 48 hot. Time remaining 40 seconds. Last 35. Last 30 seconds. Time to win. Sabas bumabalik at Aristine right to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds shot. Last 22 seconds. 5 to shoot. Sabansa. 3 players yung Sabansa. Bumitaw pa. 10 seconds. Bumitaw pa sa last shot. 5 seconds. 5.5 seconds. There's a foul is done. And official score 8-52. To the love work. And rest of the last score, 5 minutes, 6.5 seconds. 6.5 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds.
Nagising.
There is still a offensive foul. 1.5 seconds. 1.5 seconds. And third quarter.
Mag-init yun. Nandito sa ganito.
And back to the bottom of the fourth quarter. Our next game po, Taytay. Our next game, Teresa versus Cardona. At ito natin ang binigay the last game ating host. Anay versus Taytay. Ating pakparan po.
Magchampion ng Cardona. Kabali mo, hindi na pad.
And back to the bottom for the last quarter of the game. To the fourth quarter, pag-isip tayo mga kabayan. There is the fourth quarter of the game, Magdaka. It is still for back to the on the corner, to shoot. At with the Cruz sa short. This is the last quarter na tayo mga kaibigan. At this is the fourth quarter. Ay titipay na nahanap tayo ng ginawa. 50% para sa shot. At 2 sila, short. At with the remaining time, still at the Samas. The counter again, 60 seconds left. Wakay, Perigo, Johnson. Dikres, yung Perigo na. Kung nakasulat sa ilalim. Si Pivito, dapat sa 10 to the first. At going to not beat 15 seconds of rest. At going to 52-53. Perez. Keeper. Nakakuha dito ngayon. Ang sigang sa tres. Pasok ang tira. There's a last pitch. Time remaining 9 minutes. And rather, 8 minutes and 55 seconds in the fourth quarter of the game. And with Cabeza, now the cover defense so on the back at 11. And take the lead at 47, 15 to shoot, bounce a shot. Perito, right on the top there. This is Cabeza with a driving violation with a take the lead. And 37 seconds of ours. And this is at the fourth quarter of the game. 82-53 po, nakababayan. Abante pa rin ang bayan po ng Binamonan. 8-28. Hindi na mga kawating. Ang teammate at Ridaras. This is on ito ang nag-order. 8-5 to shoot sa shot clock. Before the top, no! Before on the ball game, 33. And now still on the ball game. 8-5. It is still on the ball game. And at 31, 15 to shoot, para sa shot clock. 8 exactly. And to shoot, 33 jumper, Jackson. And it's still for the jumper, 9-33, Cabeza. 3-0, the still a triple shot, para sa Cabeza. 70 and 45 seconds of us. We were on the court with the still in the fourth quarter. At when it came to shoot para sa shot, like Cooper Perez or the steal, tawag ng Jacket Cloud. At the steal of Joseph Bauer, this is the second personal foul. First to foul, para sa Binamonan. And when it's 78 and 34 seconds of us. At sa ating mga municipal sports coordinator, nagkawang-kawang, pagkatang work. Steve, or triple shot. Ignite, Marcelino. 3 points, Marcelino. At para sa triple shot, Cabeza. At triple na rin sa Cabeza. 7-15. 7 minutes and 20 sa 30. Sa position.
Sabon ka?
And with it. At ikaw drop, at Cabeza, pahinga para sa fourth quarter. And time remaining, 7-1.
Saan bang line pag 3? Dito? Dito sa...
On the ball game, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. And with official score, 85-56. This is the fourth quarter of the game. Marcelino at 7 minutes and 5 seconds of oras. Marcelino sa traksyon. At 14 to 1 of foul. Iran. And this is the second personal foul. First to foul at Harhan. Second personal foul at the 14 Iran. And pinip for the teammate, they have close, right corner. Then down to all the ball game. That is still for 3-point shot to the one, short. That is a position. Number 14, Dirata, number 11, Veracruz, papahinga para po sa fourth quarter of the game, 6 minutes and 26 seconds. This is ang fourth quarter of the game. At sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, mga Tarsaleno, magandang morning. At welcome po sa ating Pinares Court. Ito, John, congratulations. Number 23, the person of the ball, Jackson. Then number 23, the Capo, for all the UCLA, 6 minutes exactly. 5 minutes and 55 round on the ball, and the Capo. And 5 minutes and Zero sa technical. Raising technical si Perez. At assisting technical na po si Perez. Out of the play court, number 0 Perez. Number 0 Perez, out of the play court. Out of the play court, Perez. Ito si Karen.
Ayun sila. Sila muna nagpapalala.
There's a timeout. Hana. Magandang umaga Pilipinas. Welcome po. At number 0 Perez is out of the playing court. And welcome on the 5 season Governor's Cup 2026 Parang Superstar. Okay, mga po. Okay. Okay, Coach, madali na po. Thank you. And we go on the ball game with the time remaining 5 minutes and 46 seconds. And we need to run the fourth quarter of the game. Sa ating mga kababayan, mga karapit bayan sa second district at pati sa first district ng Rizal, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Tugatin all the board, 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Ito sa ating fourth quarter po tayo ng babae. At now before bowling. That to shoot for a shot. Nagkapirata po na place like that. Kaya pwede po reach the hard button. 1 minute and 23 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds shot. My son, with 5 minutes and 23. Ready to shoot. 1 to 3, Ricardo. And 10 to shoot. Mason. And for the back of the stop, jumper. Short. Before rebounding, but now goes the Elastics. When the time remaining, and with 24 seconds to shoot, and the time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds on the fourth quarter.
Siguro may bebe siya sa
Sports TV po natin, magandang morning sa kanila dyan. At babalik po tayo. At pwede po again at number 11. 4 minutes and 52, 50 to shoot para sa shotgun. And po again, 10 to shoot. Back to the forward, forward. At Mason Racing, yes sir! Buhay, pagpili ng pinagunan. Para po sa first volleyball game, na 5th season po natin ngayon. Dito po, sa Bayang Tanay. The first music because para po kay Marcelino. 1 minute and 20 at the fourth quarter of the game. 92-50 po ating score. Mas natin, 4 minute and 30, 50 to shoot para sa shot line. Steve. There's a foul at 29.
mami ay
The foul remaining 4 minutes and 7 seconds of oras. And this is the third personal foul of Santos. And this is on the body that we need to run the fourth quarter 4 minutes exactly 4 minutes. Nada. And Marcelino sa cross. Yes sir! Marcelino! Punto si Marcelino. At bumitaw ng 3-point shot sa fourth quarter 3 minutes and 45. 92-61 ang ating score. Robin before the play, having a Perino. Step back on the play. But now, 20, still on the floor, oh, what happened? And the shooter is shot out of last pass. 3 minutes and 25 para po sa third na fourth quarter na lang the ball game. 3 minutes and 20. Yarigo. 3 minutes and 17. 15 to shoot. Evangelista. Decato. Bakit ang mga champion sa tracks? Yes, sir! Decato! Triple! Nakakapunta sa Decato. Nakakaraan triple siya dito. Hindi ko na second line na field to the court. At Decato, hindi dito nakatatap dito sa triple shot. At ito naman si Brian na kalahala. Napasok dito sa press. Pero dito sa sunod ko na roll! Sundan sa inyo. 2 minutes and 46. Para sa ating fourth quarter at again, 95-63. Fourth quarter na po tayo mga kabayan. 2 minutes and 36. 15 to shoot para sa shot niya. Decato. Before play, Decato sa kanan. Sigor. Pagpersahan. Pagpasok. Before the ball is still at tabayo. Ipagilista ng ako ng Pion. Steal for 21. Perito. Foul. Traveling violation. And remaining 2 minutes and 14 seconds, 95-63. And back to the ball game, 2 minutes and 8. Amaya, walang paso na po. Now the ball for the ball and still back to the play. Last 2 minutes is broken up. Tipsy shot, broken up. It's enough. Continue to over 1 minute and 50 seconds. With a time remaining 1 minute. This is the fourth quarter. The counter, better on play. 19 to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 100%. 10 to shoot. 130. 5 to shoot. The counter jumper. Yes, sir. The counter for the jumper. This two shot to put it dito.
Grabe, parang ang dumi. Mga idol. Umiwas mo yung tibo.
Can see that
Kaya na,
the task force from the foul. Thank you, Evangelista, for to be out of the play court at winning number 1. Out of the play court at winning the court out of the play court. Okay. Number 1 na Banahana out of the play court. And time remaining 1 and 20. Stamaros is out of the play court. Number 1 Pamala. And Evangelista. Evangelista Castro. Time remaining 1 and 20. There are 4 to shoot. And back to the ball game. Then number 11 at the Birwana with one time remaining is 1 minute and 15. 10 to shoot. And within 23. 5 to shoot. And a shot. Cabeza sa jumper. Perito bago ng tuloy. Yes! 1 minute exactly. Last 55. 99-63. Last 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Last 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. Last 35. Last 30.
20 seconds.
Last 25 seconds. Perito. Simon. Ito, binigyan ko lang. Bibis oras na po. Binigyan ko lang ngayon. Competing for the winning game. Last 15. For the time of the last 10. There's a foul. And that should be last 8. Last 5. And this is all over. And that's the result. And for our morning, go back to the moment. And halahala, pasok na yung laban. Our next game po natin,